into it. So yes, it's a Microsoft product firstly. So the ease of use is great. Secondly, or most importantly, you'll have to think about the job market that you're actually getting into. When I mean by job market, over 80% of, let's say, the Fortune 500 companies today are using Azure as their cloud. Meaning, imagine the amount of job market that you're actually getting into by learning one technology. And most importantly, it's easy to learn. It's not at all difficult. It's you do not need any prior experience to learn what Azure is. You can just start off with the basic knowledge that you have from a cloud, and you can go from a novice to an expert within months. That is what Azure is given. And lastly, it is widely available. What do I mean by widely available? Azure as such has 54 data centers across the world as of the count which is today. These data centers are spread across the globe. Initially, they were only concentrated in the United States, in the greater part of the North America. But right now, they have spread all their data centers, and these are called as Azure regions. And these are the data centers that Azure has established over the years. So why is this important? Because any business, before it even starts, it understands that, okay, fine, this is the business that I'm actually getting into, and I'll have to see what the cloud provider is really offering me out there. And Azure today has most of the data centers across the world when compared to AWS or Google Cloud Platform or any other cloud platform that you know. So this is one of the most viable opportunity for a business to actually go in and invest it. And if businesses are investing, that means they generate a lot of revenue, and especially they generate a lot of jobs, which we are actually basically going into that. And this is how Azure has kind of grown, let's say from 2015, and this is where we are. This is how much the revenue what it's kind of generated. And one of the most important reasons for this kind of a revenue generation is because Azure has a very good backbone, and Azure kind of integrates with a lot of Microsoft products, and it integrates really very well, and business speaks for it. And this is one of the primary, or this is one of the biggest reasons that one can invest himself in Azure.